Welcome to Lamae, Chumphon, Thailand. It's Sunday night, March 10th, 2024.
We come on time.
It's
Know the
10 minutes
for
to
Pookie.
8 in the evening. Tigger come to do his business.
He done his business.
He's done his business. And we caught a train here. So these are second class, third class. So they got second class here without aircon, and then this is a sleeper, it looks like. So this is a fan car, sleeping fan, and then they have sleeping aircon.
One, two or three.
Yeah.
That's the purple one. Somebody say aircon nice but louder. You heard that? You hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah. When I sleep, I hear that too, louder. Louder than fan.
This is Kantang to Bangkok.
Kantang is Trang province.
Trung?
Trang province.
It was hot down there.
From here, Chumphon, and below Chumphon, Surathani, and Nakhon Si Thammarat. Below Nakhon Si Thammarat is Trang.
I saw on the news today it was like 50 degrees Celsius down Trung.
Oh,
It was very hot.
here hot too.
I don't even think it hit 40 though.
Oh, here also hot. When I set up the suitcase, I sweat a lot. Like,
And here goes the train.
we're gonna meet train here.
These truck sets are pretty quiet, I gotta say.
That guy told the cigarette not good.
You have to tell him.
Yeah,
Tell him. You tell him. So thank you for the entertainment. Kapung krap. Saying the train, they call this the train, I keep forgetting the name of it. Not the train buffet, the train, what do they call this one over here again? It's got a sign that says train nice.
I don't know.
No, the train market,
Night
night bazaar, train bazaar.
Yeah.
Train bazaar, they call that one. It's a Sunday night, it's kind of quiet. Not too much going on. 8 o'clock at night. All right, we'll leave you be. Night, night.